Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be going over the third set of combos for level 1.9, which is kind of like a reversal transition in a way. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your second set of combos for this level, and if you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So the first combo is going to be a front scoot round to a front swipe hook. So you're going to do your front scoot round and follow through to a front side stance. Put your swing knee down and throw your front swipe hook. The second combo is going to be a front swipe hook to a front scoot round. So you're going to do your front swipe hook and follow through to a front side stance. From there, you're going to put your cheat knee down and do your front scoot round. Third combo is going to be a back scoot round to a back swipe hook. So you're going to do your back scoot round and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to put your swing leg down and throw your back swipe hook. The last combo is going to be a back swipe hook to a back scoot round. So you're going to do your back swipe hook and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to put your cheat leg on the ground and throw your back scoot round. Now obviously if you're going to attempt these moves, make sure that you have your grounded flip kicks down already. And I want to encourage you guys to mix these combos up with your kicking combos that you learned earlier on in the curriculum. Remember to always be thinking about the move that you're doing as you're doing it, and take these combos slow, and then as it gets a little bit easier, you can add a little bit more speed and power. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to thank everybody who is supporting this channel on Patreon. And if you would like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be moving on to the fourth set of combos for level 1.9. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz.